how to log in Temu, Temu app login, Temu login. If you want to log in to the Temu app, it's fairly simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Temu application right here. Once you launch the Temu app, this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. Now, we want to log into our account, right? So to log into our account, first of all, let us complete this little captcha before opening the Temu app. Tap on the account or the U icon from the bottom of the screen right there, as you can see. Now, there are many ways to log in. So first, tap the sign in or register button. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or your phone number, or you can also continue using your independent email address. So you can tap on continue with email, enter your email address, and tap the continue button to log into Temu and enter your password. But if your Temu account is also associated with your Google account, go to the continue with Google option. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to enter your details, and then you can see we're successfully logged in to our account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.